Welcome to GATE 2021 model questions on control systems. Today's our topic is phase margin. Let us see the question number 1. Consider the system shown in figure 1 and figure 2. Let PM of figure 1 is phi 1 and figure 2 is phi 2, and which of the following statement is correct? That is phi 1 greater than phi 2, phi 1 less than phi 2, phi 1 equals to phi 2, and phi 1 plus phi 2 equal to 0. Let us go to the solution. For first figure, consider. So this is a standard second order system. That is, what is the open loop transfer function of a standard second order system is omega n square by s into s plus 2 zeta omega n. And whatever the open loop transfer function given in figure 1 is also in the standard format 1 by s into s plus a. For this standard second order system, what is the phase margin? Simplified formula is, I'm giving here a very simplified formula of the phase margin of a standard second order system. That is tan inverse of 2 by under square root of 4 plus 1 by zeta power 4 whole power 1 by 2 or indirectly under square root minus 2, which is a function of only damping ratio. Or phase margin of a standard second order system will be function of only zeta. Therefore, if you know the damping ratio, directly substitute it, you'll get the phase margin. What is the characteristic equation of your given figure 1 is 1 plus g of s equal to 0, which is s square plus as plus 1 equal to 0. Compare this one with the standard second order system characteristic equation, where you'll get from here damping ratio as a by 2. Substituting this one here, you'll get the phase margin, and asking for us to take this phase margin as first system as phi 1. Okay. Let us go to the second system. The second system is also a second order system, but not the standard second order model. See the open loop transfer function, which is not your standard second order model, but it is a second order system only, whose characteristic equation will be s square plus as plus 1 equal to 0. This characteristic equation of your second system is same as your first system. It is same as your first system. Hence, the damping ratio also will be same. That is, once if you get the characteristic equation of the second system, even you can keep the same open loop transfer function what you got in figure 1. That is, this characteristic equation, we can write it as like this: 1 plus 1 by s into s plus a. And here the new open loop transfer function will be 1 by s into s plus a, which is same as your standard second order model, whose phase margin also will remain same. Therefore, what is the phase margin of the second system? They want to take it as phi 2, which will be same as your first system, since the damping ratio of the first system as well as second system is same. Hence, the option is, correct option is C. Even I will tell you to solve in this manner also. Already we know that for the standard second order system, phase margin is a function of only zeta, and the mathematical formula also has been explained to you. Now, using your normal phase margin definition for any system, that is 180 degrees plus phase angle of open loop transfer function at gain crossover frequency, you have to find it out. Use that method also for this second system and find the phase margin. That will be same as your standard second order system PM. That you can check it out by yourself. Okay, that is already checked by me, it is same. Hence, the option will be C, that is phase margin of the both the systems, that is standard second order model and this AS plus 1 by S square, whatever I'm giving here, this model both will have the same phase margins. Hence your option is, correct option is C. Thank you very much. If you have still any doubt or just please post in the comments. I will definitely reply it for you. If you have any doubt in not getting the with a normal method for second system phase margin, let me know it so that I'll post the complete solution of the second one with a normal definition of phase margin. Okay, thank you very much.